What are you doing, David?
So what we're working on is we are changing out the oil pump that's located inside the oil pan. Now, it has a chain that's attached upwards to the those little thingies that holds up all the timing chains. I don't know. So we got to go back into this little plate. We got to take it off so we could open up all the chains for the timing chain. And luckily enough, the oil pump one is the first one, so we don't have to necessarily remove the timing that it's at. So we're taking everything off. We used our specialty tool, little DP tool here, to be able to hold the wheel in place while we break the bolt. Then we put a little spacer in and put it back in, so that way we can go ahead and start removing all of the little Torx screws that there are. There's like
the plate
15
cover.
of them, which are these here. They go all the way around. We're also going to have to re-break the seal, so we'll have to be breaking the seal again. And hopefully we get the oil pump changed out today. That's what we're doing.